Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Railroad home. Not a lot done this week, but we did get some things accomplished. First of all, I hung up a picture on my stairwell. This is actually a photo of a painting down in the center of the town that I had redone. Then I unpacked a bunch of stuff. I got my UP veranda out, and the U50s and the Centennials, got them on the shelf. Then I've been having water issues down in my crawl space, so my brother and I dug a ditch and put a trench drain in to try to help alleviate that problem. And then I also spent a little time getting the rebar in out on the front so I can pour my concrete. The last thing I did was Friday, I got this last piece of shelf built. Friday morning, we went to Easley to the Impact Center to the train show, just looked around. Didn't see a whole lot there, so that was just a fun day. Then Saturday, I spent all day with Butch on the left and Boyings on the right, running trains and working on the train layout. After lunch, he got some of his trains that he wants me to repair. This is not running, and this thing's got a bad smoke unit and some issues. Then I updated all my TIUs and my handheld remotes, and I even did all my TMCC legacy stuff as well. Here's some final shots of the layout. I'm trying to get it all wired up for DCS and legacy work together. So a lot of rewiring. I got a whole bunch of drops to do. See you next time. You can see what we did on Boying's Train World channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching and follow us along. See you next time.